intriguing and complicated backstory. We spoke with Peter himself from prison and also his evaluating psychologist and his defence attorney. They mounted a very provocative and challenging argument. They go so far as to say that Peter is not a pedophile, despite all the evidence, despite the videos, despite the images, despite his participation in a ring of men. They explain that by way of his life as a child. They claim that he too was a victim, and in the most fascinating turn of events, he was in fact indoctrinated by the very same group he later came to participate in as an abuser. And tell us about this child. Do we know where he is? So quickly, the hidden tattoo, what is the significance of that? That is the extraordinary thing here. It was a visual clue, because I mentioned earlier that when investigators in America found a video and it showed an adult having sex with a very young boy who was about 5 years old, their faces had been cropped out. They couldn't see who this was worth. The one thing that stood out was this boy had a hair tattoo on his chest, quite large, with a skull in the middle. And that was the thing to go on. Now, in Australian investigators had benign home videos of this boy. They could see his face, he had a tattoo on his chest, but nothing to show that he was sexually abused.